This is a Kaufmann instructional guide on how to measure for bed box covers, bed skirts, and fitted sheet huggers. The first thing is that we have a form that you can fill out that's got all of the measurements that are going to be needed. The only thing that will not be needed when you're measuring for a bed box cover is the drop length. I'm doing this particular video with the mattress off the bed, which is the best way to do it, the most accurate way to do it. There is another video available for showing how to do it with the mattress on the bed. The first thing you want to make sure of is two things. Number one, if you're doing a model room, you want to make sure that you've got the right bed, because sometimes they're going to give you a different bed in your renovation, and you want to make sure that you're measuring the correct bed. Secondly, for a king, you want to make sure that this gap here is how the rest of your beds are always going to be. Typically, this is how they should be, pushed together right here. If they're spread apart, you need to put them back together again in order to get an accurate measurement. You're going to measure for the height of the bed box. You'll use a straight edge, and you will simply take it off the straight edge down to the bottom of the bed box. In this particular instance, it's about 9 1/4 inches. Then what you'll do if you're measuring for a skirt is you will simply go down to the floor, take the measurement there. It's 19 1/2 inches. Typically speaking, you want your bed skirt approximately an inch off the floor. So you would deduct an inch from the 19 inches, and your bed skirt drop length would be 18 inches. The next measurement that you should take is, and you want to come in a little ways on your bed, make sure you put that right on the edge of the bed box, and then measure straight across. In this particular instance, it's 72 inches, and then you want to do the same thing in the length direction. Make sure you're on the very edge of the bed box. Make sure it doesn't move from that point, and you have an 80 inch in length. So that's the way that you'll measure for bed boxes, bed skirts, and fitted sheet huggers, which we also sometimes call skuggers.